Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can master VEO3 prompt using this free prompt generator. So you're just going to type in your story here. I think I'm just going to type in the same thing, a titan battles or a robot. Oh my gosh, I don't remember what. A giant robot in a city. You can choose the visual style here. Let's do cinematic, and then you can change the stuff like that. Video duration, I'll do like 10 seconds. Can I do, oh my gosh, I can't do less than 80? What's going on? Okay, I can. Let's do 16 seconds. Content category, cinematic, and then dramatic here. Then you're just going to select generate professional content. You can enhance the story concept a little bit more. And here's the draft output. It's still generating the character profiles here for the JSON prompt later on. So you'll be getting the raw text, all JSON, individual JSON, scene analysis, scene analysis, and detailed analysis as well. It does take a few seconds, so I'll be right back. Okay, here's the raw text output, and this is the JSON file. You're just going to press copy. Here's the individual scene. I don't know if I should just do the individual one. I think I might do the individual one, but you can use this if you want two scenes, but let's just do one for now. New project, text to video, and paste. Hopefully it's not too long. I'm just going to press enter, and I'll be right back with the results. And this is what the end result will look like. Let's play it. Wow, what an interesting pose. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!